Moimoi pe hoegi pe moi kainga. O ku tau ke tatare ki he kau whine mui e toko whā. O ku toi ke nā wā umai. Ka he toki kamata ai tau pōkalama i he via whini. Moimoi pe i whalanglangi. I he tō mui e tau pōkalama. Ka koe uhi o ku aho whemau e kina ni pe a ongo ngā alo tonu walofa. I ngā i kātoa ngā. Pea ku nau kei turi mai e kau whine mui koe ni. Taim tatau pe ho eiki pea moe kāinga. O tau heni pea moe sound of the wave of the Pacific. O ki nau tolu ia live band o ki nau whakuwhatongia he pōni. Kore atu mo whakawhi e ki mou tolu. Lolotonga e tau taritari ke kamata e tau pōkalama e pōni. Mo mea hake o whakawha e ngahi whasi. Aho ni au whakawha i koe tau pōlo e ni whakawha. Tāpe whasi mō mea ki o lunga. Mo tau teo teo e pia ke taritari ai tau whānau. Malo o bito.
Go. moment more. Tell me quando, quando, quando. Say to me that you adore. Oh my love, tell me when. Every moment today, every day seems a lifetime. Let me show you the way to enjoy the uncompared. I can wait a moment more. Tell me quando, quando, quando. Say it's me that you adore. Oh my darling, tell me quando, quando, quando we can share love divine. Please don't make me wait again. When you say yes to me, tell me quando, quando, quando your happiness of me. Oh my God, tell me.
Whatapu ki he alamai te tau kakapā. Whatapu ki he hau e otu Tonga, kingi tupo wono. Kai maa e kuini nanaspau, pe moi whare o ha moi ofo. Whatapu he ni ki he eiki whakalangi. O e kātoanga koia, o e wike Heilala, o e tau koini. Eiki Frederica whatawhehi o la baha tuita, kau maa ho eiki. Whakatapu atu ki haa matapure. Tāpueni ki he eik-minista e Moimoi, kau maa ai kau me mipa o e wharerea Tonga, pia moe kau whafofonga whakadiplomatika, o mo mea he ni he fia whini. Whata mawahe ki he kau Whinemoi e toko hongo furu māua. Ko nau lotolahi ke nau kau i he vei bā ke kalauni o e Miss Heilala Wawe ua tolu. Ka kia ngai tuonga peo ton ke whai hono whakatapua o kou kore ke uhu whanga tuai. Ka rā mo e motuani ke u tataki atu mo whakatau kei ai polo kalama o e poni. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Miss Heilala 2023 Ball and Grounding Night. My name is Mapa Taumalolo, and I'm hailing all the way from Holonga Wheretoa and Tau Vava'u and Kolo and Ha'ano Ha'pai, and I'll be your master of ceremony for this evening. I'm so honored and delighted to be the MC for this momentous event. Tonight is going to be a spectacular night, which will be remembered by most of you, especially the young lady who will be crowned the Miss Heilala for 2023-2024. Without any further ado, I'd like to call upon Mr. Starforty Aho, the executive member and also the general manager of the Rising Sun Travel and Tours, to offer the opening prayer, followed by the welcoming remarks, which will be given by Mr. Arwin Moore, one of the directors of the Tonga Tourism Authority Board. And then we'll go on from there. Mr. Starforty Aho.
Ke whai hatau lotu. O tua mafi. Koe mautamai ko hewani ai awhiona. Tu I koe o taimi pia mo I tāniti. Koe kamata anga pia mo ngata anga ai awhiona. Tua ko mau whakawhetai lahi hoa koe ni. Whakatataha I mai ki mau tolu. Malu e holo koen. O ku mau kei mau pea e mo ui. Fia ai ki atu ai whakawhetai pia mo e whakamalo ki ati koe. Malo mua ku kei I tupe lao Tonga. Lau maari e pea e tahini kuini. Kai uma e whare o haa mo heofo. Lau maari e pea e tahini whakalangi. Kai uma ahou eiki. Malo ko whakalere pe. Tahine minista. Kai uma e sea e poate. Kalere pe e prestini. Kau tahtak mamata. Mui kau maulakanga kotoa pe. Ihe potu ngā we. CEO. Kai ma ai toe ngā we kau ngā we. O tua ko mau whakawhetai atu ki he awhiona. Kono o mai hao ki mau tolu ki he whiawhi koen. Mau hanga atu o tua. A whio I he polo kalama te mau whai he pon. Mau kore atu. Ai merino moinonga hau taha pe me he awhiona. Mau ilo. Koe lerei kuia te koe pe. Tō koe poto e tangata ki lalo. Kai ha ai mao ni oni ai awhiona. Mau kore katoa ngahi mea. Ko tō pe I klaisi pe ko alo. Ka ko mau whakamo ui. Amen.
Whakamalo ki a Starford Aho, I hono whakao kokoia o tau lotu. I would like to acknowledge that we're here with the reigning Miss Pacific Islands, Miss Josie Nicholas, and Diamond Langi, the Face of Beauty International 2013. Also, J.P. Foliaki, one of the cast of the Red, White, and Brass movie. And our band for tonight is the Soundwave of the Pacific, and we will hear from them in a little bit from now. We'll now hear the welcoming remarks from the Director of the Tonga Tourism Authority Board, Mr. Arwin Moore. Malo Arwin.
Guests of honor, Honorable for the Heilala Tuita, Honorable Fikita Utukomanu, Minister of Tourism and Foreign Affairs, Honorable Minister of Health, Sir Kakala, Members of Parliament, sponsors, contestants, and ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Chair Lady of Tonga Tourism Authority, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you all for being here, supporting together with the CEO of the Ministry of Tourism in promoting Tonga and encouraging the preservation of the culture and its continuity, especially with the younger generation. We are here tonight to witness the finale of Miss Heilala 2023 Beauty Contest. I am proud of the young 12 beautiful girls who have taken up the challenge to participate. I wish them all the best with tonight's final event. Whatulo atu whakalangi eiki whatawhehela paha tuita. Ik minister tang mamata pe moe patungawa ki muri. Ok mawhana mo loto whiwhia ke whawhawhanga ia te sea o pate mamawhai tak mamata. Ke taritari lelei kotoa ki mautolu. Ke awhanga tuku e whiauhe Miss Heilala wanoa wa tolu. Ok mahuinga e poloklama koe ni e tak mamata. Ko i kohi kone lawa o tauhi mo pātoloaki e tau ngahi tāla whawhanua. Pe mo tauhi e tau urunganga ke mamau luta e nofo e kāinga. Ko mahu inga ia ke tuoloa e urungangani. Aia kui he kaupapārangi ke Tongan culture. Ko whiwhia he lava mai e mist e toko tahaua e whinimui whawhaofa ki tau kau i he whiauhi o e tau ni. Tala monua atu ki aki mautolu o pē ki he mātua tauhi, māloi paupou. O ko ngoi a lau o pehe o i kai ha misi me wawaulahi. Ka koe ki motuani ke whaifatungia pe me wawau. Ka ko nofo whanongo he lolotonga e whiauhi taulunga. O ko ui ko toa nau hingoa me wawau. Ka ko talangea. Ta koe misi e a wawau e tahaua. Ko iai, ko na i atu. Ki ka contestants, ki mo manatui, ko mo konga ki wawau. Mo e tau whikau mahu inga taha. Tonga e lolona ato. Malo, o fatu.
Whamaloa atu ki Arwin Moore, e tongia e whatongia ko e lea taritari o e whiwhini. Before we move on to our next program, I just want to mention this for the benefit of our non-Tongan speakers. The festival is named after Tonga's national flower, the Heilala, which is the highest in the hierarchy of the Tongan flowers. The Heilala plant is very difficult to propagate and has to be closely nurtured to survive. It's a symbol of sacrifice, perseverance, and dignity. Just like the Heilala plant, the young ladies competing for the Miss Heilala title are closely scrutinized to ensure the most suitable ambassador is selected to wear the crown of Miss Heilala, representing the Kingdom of Tonga. We will now move on to a special item which will be performed. By the reigning Miss Heilala. For the past 4 years, Miss Yehenara Fifita Horeva Lifusia a Fokololo Perenato Tupo Tuitupo Suko. E whahako atu e Yehenara ko e whinemuia o kune lolo Tonga puke puke. Ai kalauni koia o e Miss Heilala, talu pia mehe wāwhe tahiwa, haki fo i whakameite, whakaosi ke te tautolu I e whiawhini. The item is titled Te Moana Nui. It's an original Tahitian love song from the show that she used to work at in Waikiki, Hawaii, under the world-renowned Tihati Productions. It's a significant song to Yehenara because it was part of her talent in 2019. And it reminds her of her late great-grandmother, Anaise Toti Mataere. She also wants to dedicate this item to all the strong, confident, God-fearing women in her life who have empowered her. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause. Miss Yehenara Fifita Horeva, Lifusia Fokololo Perenato Tupo, Tui Tupo Suko. Koto paspasi mai ai Miss Heilala lolo Tonga. Yehenara suko. Whamaloa tu I whakameite. Whakawhofokoia ko tau ko mea kia I whakawhalangi kai maho eki pia moi kainga o mo mea heni. Can I please invite the escorts to please escort our young ladies to the stage. And while they are escorted to the stage, I want to announce the sponsors of our Heilala Week this year. Our platinum sponsors, we've donated 20,000 pa'anga and above. I'd like to thank the Minister of Tourism and Minister of Health who are here representing the government of Tonga, and also Fiji Airways, whereas we have John Nichols, the General Manager of Australasia and Pacific for Fiji Airways. So thank you, John Nichols. And as you all know, Fiji Airways has sponsored for 44 years, even back when it was Air Pacific. Alomaidasanian Ports Authority, Siosaya Moihau, Comfort Zone Furniture and Party Rentals. Emerine Tuita, the CEO, is here as well, and Tonga Development Bank. Mopas pasi mai daw kau platinum sponsors. Kau kau gold sponsors who have donated, contributed 10,000 pa'anga and plus. MBF Bank, Little Italy Restaurant and Hotel, Tanoa International Hotel, Friendly Islands Shipping Agency, BSB Bank, TCC, and also the Electricity Commission. Mobas pasi mai our gold sponsors. Without your generosity, we would have been able to host this Heilala Festival for 2023. Also, Tonga National Reserve Bank is our silver sponsor, who has donated 5,000 pa'anga plus. And One Talk Tonga and Chet Save Tauwhanua Travel are our two bronze sponsors. Ko tui ko mau maari mai ai kau whenamui. Te o hui tātaha to ki nau tōlu. Pe ai whawhiao mai ki nau tōlu e ni ihi. Ko nau whawhiao ia ki e whiawhini. Pe kahiri ia, e tuku ange whainga maari e ke nau hanga o whawhiloa ki nau nau atu a ki nau tōlu. Ka uloa ki Miss SNS USA, Manila, Grace Ann Maake. DJ, can you please play soft music from the background? Second in line is Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Sebni Lata Maile. Whamare, ko hui atu pe ki mau tolu pe mau kāta ki mai ki funga Stacy. Pas pasi mai tau kau whenamui. Ko Miss SNS USA Yeni Manila Crescent Maake. Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Sebni Lata Maile. Miss Tonga, Australia, Monica Vave. Miss Lady Maria, Australia, Natalie Mahe. Hoi hoi fua au bito ai kau whenamui e whiawhini. Te mo nau ball gown. Miss Sandy's Online Boutique, Australia, Petiola Makatu'u. Miss Fia Dance Academy, Halamehi Tuimana. Next in line is Miss Bose Fashion, Mary Louisa Meredith. Our contestant number 8, Miss Brilliant Star Sila Perua, Lata I Tuatau Nayata. Contestant number 9, Miss Malo LLA Travel, Logeti Serenity Mahodi. Contestant number 10, Miss Ewa Masani, Sitika Hamilton Vaenuku. Contestant number 11, Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia, Hanga Apifo'ou Angelina Uatafe. And last but not the least, Miss Ha'apai Masani, Mere Afenga Helotu Sika. Modoi pas pasi mai ai kau fine mui e toko hongo fulu maua. Ko nau pole ke nau weipa ke kalauni o Miss Heilala o ta ua whewua tolu. Te kore heni ki he kau fine mui koe ni ke nau hanga o whawheloa ki nou ki nau tolu ki mua pe au whawheloa ki atu ai kau whakamau ko ia ki he pōni. I will now invite the contestants to please briefly introduce themselves before I introduce the judges for the stage interview. Whamoremore o whakauha ke ha maika ki he kau whewhine. While we're waiting for the microphone, might as well read out the rest of the supporting sponsors. Waterfront Lodge and Restaurant, Liku Alofa, Deep Blue Diving and Whale Watching, Monarch Travel Services, Salome and Every Season Travel and Security, Seaview Hotel and Restaurant, Kalieva Bar, CD Engineering, Little India Restaurant, Billfish Bar and Restaurant, Rising Sun Travel, and Taulua Vatata Marketing and Services. Tunga ke whakamari e ka ni ki he kau whinemui, ke nau whawheloa ki atu, ke nau tolu.
Maloe lele, koe hoku hingoa, ko Manila, Grace Ann Maake. I'm 21 years of age. I hail from the villages of Pangai, Pukotala, Uiha, and Kahoua. I am proudly sponsored by SNS USA. Goiape malo tua opatu.
Malo elele, ko hoku ingoa, ko sabni lata, ma ohe ofa, mai lei, pe oko lele mai, me sila pelua, vai ko puna, kolo kakala, sio ko veongo, mo fele ai toa vavau. O ko fiafia, ke whakafofongai, I miss Tui Tui Fashion 2023, malo aupito, toa afa atu.
Malolele, my name is Monica Vave. I hail from the villages of Heilala, Labaha, Paikopuna, Kolomotua, and Angaha Niua. I'm 22 years old and I represent Miss Tonga, Australia. Maloa pito tua o whātu.
Malo Lele, my name is Natalie Mahe. I hail from the villages of Nuku Nuku, Golobai, and Foahaupai, and I am Miss Lady Marie Australia, Maloa Pito.
Malo Lele, ko kuingoa, ko petiola makatu. Tau ano ani, ko kulele mai me pangai motu kavau, tua koloa, Samoa solo solo. Fungamisi, Niua, and all the way from Italy. Ko fia pito ke whakafofongai a Miss Senis Online Boutique Australia ke tau wano watolu. Malo au pito tua o whātu.
Malolele, ko hoku ingoa, ko hala mehi tu imana. Ko hoku taua taha eni, pe o ko lele mai, me he pai kotoko mea, lo whanga haapai, kolo mai le eua, kolo matua hofoa, longa longa, pe mo fua motu. O ko fia apito, ke whakawhawhangai, ai Miss Fear Dance Academy wafe watolu. Malo apito, o whalahi atu.
I am 22 years old and I hail from the villages of Neafu, Fasimoyafi, Faleloa, and Natata. And I am this year's Miss Pose Fashion, Malo Pito.
Malolele, ko hokingoa, ko lata i tu atau naiata, ko e kulele mai me funga matoto, funga pausini, taulanga pasvulangi, vai ko ni toa, pangaloto mo estila pelua. O ko fia lahi ke whakafofonga i atu, ai Miss Brilliant Stars stila pelua. Malo au pito o whalahi atu.
Maloa lele, ko hoku hingoa ko loketi serenity mahoni. I'm 19 years of age. I've reigned from the villages of Kolomotua and Mawhanga, and I'm proudly sponsored by Miss Maloa Lele Travels, Maloa Pito.
Maloa lele, ko hoki ngoa ko Sitita Hamilton Vainuku, pea ko lele mai, me kolo mai le, whataulua eua, tali hau tua neki vale vavau pea moniwa fo'ou. O ko whiawhia ke whafofonga i atu ai Miss Ewa Masani ke wanoa watolu o whalahi atu.
Maloe lelei, ko hoku ingoa ko angai whonu uhatafe, pea ko lele mai me whaleloa lo whanga loto foa, kolomotua, niua nuku nuku, pea mula paha takamotonga. Pea ko whiawhia ke whakafofonga i atu ai Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia. Maloa upito.
Maloa lele, ko kingoa, ko mele a whenga he lotu sika. Ko tau tahi vaeni, pea ko kulele mai, me vai ko niu toa, funga maka mimisi, vai poa niwa Tongatapu, kolo tau ko velata, hihi fotongo lele ka hapai. Pea ko whiawhia, ke o whakafofonga i a Miss Hapai Masani ke he wafe watolu. Malo o whātu.
Mo toi paspasi mai, kau whine mui e toki o kou kore ke u whakawhi loa ki atu ai. Ai kau whakamau ko ia of the final judging event, which is the Miss Heilala Stage interview. Our judges are selected from our major sponsors. Koe uluaki, koe whakamau uluaki, ko Cassandra Murphy from Tanoa International Hotel. Cassandra, kata kio ki mea ke kio longa. Mo paspasi mai, ai tau whakamau. Also from MBF Bank, we have Anton. Malo Anton. From BSB Regional Manager, Marian Laneko Vaai, who's here with us this evening. From Tonga Development Bank, our CEO, Mrs. Emeline Tuita. And I realized that John Nichols is also in the panel of judges. From Fiji Airways, Mobas Pasimai. We also have the chair lady for the judges is none other than Molly O'Rourke, the director of PNG Beauty Pageant, and a longtime friend of Tonga, nicknamed the Queen of the Queens of the PNG. We also have two scrutineers, Mrs. Mary Fonua, and Mrs. Silvia Talanoa. Whamaro atu hoi ki moi ka ainga, I ho mo mea mai e whiawhini, ko hi koe tau whē auhi, wiki Heilala. I hoka atu koe tau poro kalama, e mea mai ai kau whine mui ki he whunga Stacey, pe ko iai hangahi whehui, ko o steu teu, pia ko pelu pelu ia o whao ki haki I kato, ke nau toki toho me ai whehui koe ke nau tari I he whiawhini. We have prepared 12 questions, and we have put them in this basket, so each of the ladies will come and draw a question randomly. Koe uroa ki, ke tau wheauhi stage interview ko ia o e whiawhini, is Miss SNS USA, Manila Grace Ann Maake. Kore atu ho e ki pe moe ka inga, koe taimi koe e whakauko ai ai ngahi tari whehui, whakamore more. Kore atu ke tau ki I whakalongolongo hifo, kai lava ke ongo le lei ai tari ai kau whine mui, ke whanau mai ki ai kau whakamau. Miss Manila Grace Ann Maake. The question is, if you are crowned the Miss Heilala, what will you do to help promote our island as a desired vacation destination to help boost the local economy? If you are crowned Miss Heilala, what will you do to help promote our island as a desired vacation destination to help boost the local economy?
Tonga is a land of great resources, but the greatest resource that Tonga has to offer is its own beautiful people. We are a kingdom that is established on values and high morals, but most importantly, family-oriented people. I think the greatest way to promote Tonga, if I were crowned Miss Heilala, would to be to promote the families, promote the faces of our happy people. Maloa pito, tua ofa atu.
Mobas Pasi Mai, Miss SNS USA, Manila, Grace and Marke. Mahalo Abito. Next in line is Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Sebni Lata Maire. I also want to let the girls know that you have an option to read out your question in English or Tongan. Koe oa tupe whokia ke koe ki I whakai pe. Ka koe ku wakai koe ke tau kau overhia, o ku toi mo mosiange e nau rea a nau tolu he kau overseas. Whamalo atu Miss Tui Tui Fashion, may I ask if you could please draw a question? Okay, Sabni, here's your question. During Heilala festival, we have had daily sumbalala. What are other ways we can encourage healthy living and lifestyles in our country? During Heilala festival, we have had daily sumbalala. What are the other ways we can encourage healthy living and lifestyles in our country?
Thank you for the question. Recently, we have established the healthy living and eating guidelines here in the Kingdom of Tonga, so we can implement this guideline in the Zumbalala or other activities that we currently have on in the Kingdom of Tonga. And it's important to implement this guideline because it will help raise awareness and educate people that are not aware of over-consuming foods that are not healthy, such as saturated fats, salt, and sugar, because the high consumption of these foods are the major risk factors of NCDs, non-communicable diseases here in Tonga. Malo Alpito, tua afate.
Mobas Pasi Mai, Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Sebni Lata Maile. Te tau hoko atu ki he whine mui whika wha. O tau whiau I Miss Heilala o e tau ni. Contestant number 4, Miss Lady Maria Australia, Natalie Mahe. Whamalo atu kainga I ho mou tauhia mai, ai mauluta koia o e tau polokala mai whiwhini, kai lawa ke whanako lelei, ai kau whamau ke he tari koia ai kau whine mui. Miss Tonga Australia, Monica Vave. Ko toho e misi Tonga Australia and the whiui, and it goes like this. What is something you learned about yourself through the Heilala preparations and competition that you didn't otherwise know? What is something you learned about yourself through the Heilala preparations and competition that you didn't otherwise know?
Thank you for the question. This past 2 weeks has been a blessing
And what I have found out about myself is my relationship growing closer to God. Through all the stress and the busyness, I was allowed to pray and bring comfort to myself because no matter whatever happened, God was there with me always. Thank you for the question. Maloha pito.
Mopas pasi mai, Miss Tonga, Australia. Monica Vave. Sorry, contestant number 4. Miss Lady Maria, Australia. Natalie Mahe. Pas pasi mai Natalie Mahe. Ko Miss Lady Maria, Australia. Mo wha more pe, ko hi ko ngahi kofu whaka ofa. Ngahi teu ai tau kau whenemui. Ko pau pe ke ki taimi ai nau whenga mai ki olungani ke tari ai nau whehui. Whakamore, ko i whihu ia koe ni ko o si whakahoko ia. Ko kore pe ke te toho he Miss Lady Maria Australia. Miss Lady Maria Australia, here's your question. Culture is so important in Tonga, especially as a woman. What are ways you can be a role model to other young people as Miss Heilala? Culture is so important in Tonga, especially as a woman. What are ways you can be a role model to other young people as Miss Heilala?
Thank you for the question. As a role model, I'll be able to promote Tonga for my culture by being the example for my young youth and the young girls who look up to me as a Tongan woman who was raised by a Tongan family to pursue Tongan culture and the responsibilities that we have in the culture and the traditional traditions that we hold. And to promote that Tonga and what we are as a nation. Maloha pito.
Mopas pasi mai, Miss Lady Maria Australia. Natalie Mahe. Ko e whenemui whika whaa ia, o e tau whe auhi ko ia, o e whia whini. Toi haka au whenemui e toko walu, ke nau lava mai o tari e nau ngahi whehu i. So I'd like to apologize to the judges. I just received 2 names of the other judges. Cassandra Lupe Eva Moala Mafi. She is the representative from Tanoa International Dateline Hotel. And John Nicholas, the general manager of Fiji Airways. Maloha pito. Contestant number 5 is Miss Seni's Online Boutique Australia, Petiola Makatu'u. Tangtatau o ku o atu pia moe whakamanatu ki he kau whenemui. E lava lelei pe ke mou whiri, pe whakahoko hao mou wheu i e lea whakatonga, pe koe lea whakapiritania. Ko e whehui ko ia ko whiri e he Miss Lady Maria, sorry, he Miss Seni's Online Boutique Australia. O ko te whiri a ke whakahoko i e rea whakatonga. Ko Tonga pe, I e Pasifiki, o kei pureanga whakatui. Koe hānai e ngai uhinga, o ku ke tui ai o ku mahu inga. Ke tau kei tauhi mo pāo toloaki, a tau tui, pia moi whare o ha moi o fō. Ko tonga pē, o ku pureanga whakatui i e Pasifiki. Koe hānai ngai uhinga, o ku ke tui ai o ku mahu inga, ke tau kei pāo toloaki mo tauhi, a tau tui, pia moi whare o ha moi o fō.
Malo pito e wheui. Ko rata e whaatamba kehe ke whawhalanglangi, papuhe ke taha no kotoa. Ko pehe e au, ok mo oni, ko tonga ni pe taha, ok tau ke tau e pureanga whakatui. Ko inga, ok lawa e tau whakahata e tau ngahi traditional culture, ikai koia pe, ok lawa e tau whakahai, ai kehe o e tui, hou eiki, pa pehe whake kakai, mo tau ngahi whatongia tak taha fo. Koia ko ilo, mo whapapau, ko tongan pe taha o kei pureanga whakatui, pa kono mahu inga, ke tau whakahai, tau whakapa-apa, lo toto, tau hiwa, pa moe piweito kaya, koia pe malo. Tua awhai.
Motai Paspasi mai, Miss Sandy's Online Boutique Australia, Pediola Makatu'u. Her question was, Tonga is the last remaining kingdom or monarchy in the Pacific. Why do you think it is significant that we have a king and the royal family? Tonga is the last remaining kingdom in the Pacific. Why do you think it is significant that we have a king and royal family? Her answers was, it is very important that we have our king and royal family because it binds our traditional culture, and it also reflects the social pyramid in our hierarchy system. And she's also proud that Tonga is the remaining monarchy in the kingdom. Tau hoko atu ki he whinemui whikao no. Miss Fia Dance Academy, Halamehi Tui Mana. Okay, Halamehi. Ko whiui o ku peheni. Tongans are emerging as scholars, professional athletes, world-class entertainers, successful entrepreneurs, and leaders all around the world. Who is someone in the media you look up to and make you proud to be Tongan, and why? Tongans are emerging as scholars, professional athletes, world-class entertainers, successful entrepreneurs, and leaders all around the world. Who is someone in the media you look up to and make you proud to be Tongan, and why?
Thank you for your question. Someone I look up to who is Tongan in the sport industry would have to be my good friend Galea Iongi. She plays for the netball team representing Tonga. She's from Australia playing for Tonga, representing, and she's been a very, very good leader to me and a role model. And that's who I look up to. Thank you for your question.
Malapito mo to Paspasi mai ay Miss Fia Dance Academy. Halamehi Tuimana. Te tau hoko atu ki he whinemui whika whitu.
Contestant number 7, all the way from California, Miss Bose Fashion, Mary Louisa Meredith. Here's your question, Miss Bose Fashion. If you win Miss Heilala and go on to Miss Pacific Islands, what would your platform be to reflect a more regional awareness and effort? If you win Miss Heilala and go on to Miss Pacific Islands, what would your platform be to reflect a more regional awareness and effort?
Malo Pito for your question. If I were to become Miss Heilala and go forward on to Miss South Pacific, my platform in order to bring more regional awareness would be to focus on things that make Tonga unique, because I think that it is a beautiful country with a lot of rich culture, and while it has similarities to the other sister islands of the South Pacific, it has things that are special only to here, that can be represented in all of the different categories, through dress, through talents, through all of the different stages of the pageant. And I think that that will help show Miss Pacific Islands and the world why Tonga is so special. Thank you.
Malo Apito, Miss Bose Fashion, Mary Louisa Meredith. From Malo Ato ki kau fefine, inao Tonga ni mai ki ono whakahoko pe motari lelei angai wheu I koia ko tukot ke dek nau tolu I he fia fini. Before we call Miss Brilliant Star on stage, I would like to acknowledge and give a shout out to E.M. Tongi, who has tried to send us a video. Unfortunately, it was late and we were not able to get it on time. So thank you, E.M. Tongi, for the great effort in trying to celebrate with us the Heilala Week of 2023. Contestant number 8 is Miss Brilliant Star, Sila Pelua, Lata I Tuatau Nayata. Sorry, that question has already been read out. So Ms. Brilliant Star has prepared to ask you a question in English. Lata, ko feu ian oku pehen. Is climate change affecting our country? If so, what can we do to slow its effects? Is climate change affecting our country? If so, what can we do to slow its effects?
Malo Alpito. I believe, yes, climate change is affecting our kingdom. And I suggest what we can do, especially as local citizens, we can contribute by helping. We could start at home. Parents can start by teaching their kids to avoid littering or burning rubbish that causes pollution, and that leads to the effects of climate change. Thank you.
Malo apito mo pas pasimay ay Miss Brilliant Star sila belua lata itu atau nayata. Escort maya junior inoke foto junior kupu. Te tau hoko atu ki he whine mui whika hiwa. We'll now move on to our contestant number 9, Miss Malo Lele Travel, Logeti Serenity Mahoney. Your question goes like this. How can you inspire other Tongans to value the importance of our language and our cultural traditions, whether in Tonga or overseas? How can you inspire other Tongans to value the importance of our language and cultural traditions, whether in Tonga or overseas?
Thank you for the question. How to inspire Tongans to keep our tradition alive is I would help to advocate and create programs for our youth to learn about our culture, to continue for them to learn our language, our traditional art, our clothing, and our style. Malo apito.
Malo apito Logeti Serenity Mahoney. Miss Malo Lele Travel. Moto e paspasi mai ai tau whine mui whika hiwa. Oi Miss Heilala o tau a whiwa tolu. Ko whine mui hoko, contestant number 10, Miss Ewa Masani, Sidita Hamilton, Vainuku. Ko ki whakatonton na dupe ki he matanga. Ko whine mui gani ko si oku ila mutu ya oku. Ai na ia. Whakamore ko e ki whihui ko ia ko o si whahauka te ane nai. Ko tipe ko ki wheto oa ki pe. Ko taimi ko fu hoi hoi fuai e tau whanau. Pea ku kamata ki hawala hole kau ngā we ki hono whengai ke tu mai e tau whihui. Ko whihui koe ko whiri he Miss Ewa Masani. O ki lolo e whihui, o ko kore peke ke ki whanongo tokanga. Ko e whaka apa. Ko e taha ia, o e wha i ka wei koula ai Tonga. Ia taimi lahi. O ke kai ke tauhi ai whaka apa, i he taimi o kwhela whoaki pe whetu taki ai ka kai Tonga i he o pē. Koe hānai ai whaunga. Te tau lawai o malui ai tau totonu, mo e tau atai na whakafo i tui tui. Kai whakai ai a hono le ohi mo tauhi, ai molu malu o e nofo a kai ngā. Te tui whakao ngatu ho whehui. Koe whakaapa-apa, koe taha ia ai wha i ka wei koula ai Tonga. I e taimilahi o koe kai ke tauhi e whakaapa-apa, i e taimi o kwhela fuaki pe whetu utaki ai ka kai Tonga i he ope. Koe hāna i e whaunga, te tau lawai o malui e tau totonu mo e tau atai na whakafo i tui tui, kai whakai ai a hono le ohi. Mo tauhi ai molu malu o e nofo a kai ngā.
Mahalo pito i he whehu i whakaofofa ko ia, pia ko whakamalo ki he tamai he wani ko whainga maalie, o ko mao ke o tali atu ia. Ko e whakapapa ko ha mea mahau inga o pito ia ki he tau nofo, pia hange ko e lawe ai whehu i, o ku lahi ai i kai ke tau tauhi ai whakapapa i he tau ngau e aki ai ngai sosiali whakamitia i he mamani. Ko ha whaunga te tau lawa ke whakahoko, ka pau te tau manatui mo iloi ko haia ki tau tolu ko e Tonga mo oni, pia i kai ke toi ngalo ia, te tau tauhi ia, neongo e lahi e hua e whili, hono ahi ia ki tau tolu, ke tau lava o whai hangahi lea tae whiunga, pe ko hangahi toonga tae whiunga i he sosiale whakamitia. Ka koe taimi pe te tau manatui ai ko haia ki tau tolu, ko e whewhine i Tonga mo e tangata i Tonga o kuiai ho tau ngahi, ulu ngaanga ke tau whakapapai, te tau lava lewa o toi whaka si a ngahi urunganga tai whiunga ko ia i e sosiale whakamitia. Ka ingai ngata pe ai, ke tau manatui ko ngahi whoha mo ngahi o whiwhine a ki tau tolo e tamai he wani. O kune hanga o tatali mai ke tau whai pe hangahi urunganga lelei ke whakafofonga i lelei ia. Ko ia pe malo.
Malo. Ko kore pe ke taitai pei Miss Ewa kau whakahoko ai whehu I ki he kau whakamau. Respect is one of the 4 pillars of our Tongan culture, which makes us Tongan. And so very often, when Tongans communicate over the internet, they fail sometimes to respect one another. How then can we protect our individual rights and at the same time safeguard and uphold the sanctity of our close-knitted community? So that was the question. And the answer from Ms. Ewa Masani, I agree that we do not observe respect as one of our 4 pillars of our culture. But in order to protect our individual rights and safeguard and uphold the sanctity of our close-knit community, we need to know who we are. We need to identify our true Tongan identity and live with it. And once we understand and know who we are, we then reflect those values in our lives and also we tend to embody them in our daily lives. Also, we need to know and understand that we are sons and daughters of a loving Heavenly Father. And once we know our divine identity, we should be able to mold our actions and our doings, and then we respect one another, even over the internet. Malo bito. Motoy paspasi mai Miss Ewa Masani, si Tita Hamilton Vainoko. Taipei tau o Finemui Eua, contestant number 11. Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia. Heilala Angelina Uhatafe. Paspasi mai, Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia. Ko toho Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia. I feel mauinga ko ini, and she preferred to have her question in Tongan. Oku ke tui nai oku mahu inga, ki he ho e ki whawhine, ke nau mao, hangahi mawhai peko ngai lakanga, taki. Mo whai tū uni I o tau whanua. Ka pau ke tui kiai, koe hānai ho uhinga. O ke tui nai o ku mahu inga ki hoi ki whawhine ho tau whanua, ke nau mau hangahi lakanga taki pe koe ngai mawhai. Ke whai tū uni I o tau whanua, ka pau ke tui kiai, koe hānai ho uhinga.
Malo au pito. Koe ki whehui koe ni, koe o ke kei tui o ke take hau e whaiwhine I he mea kako, but then they should have a voice in everything. O ke whemau peke iaha nau leo, kai taki e lava peke mau he hau e ki tangata, ka koe, but then e whemau peke nau leo I he mea ko tau pe. Malo pito.
Malo pito mo paspasi mai. I miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia. She was given the question whether she think it's important for women to hold positions of power and decision making in our country. If so, why? Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia, disagrees with the question. She believes in the patriarchy system, that men should lead. However, women should have a voice in the decision-making process of our country. Malo apito, mo paspasi mai, Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia, Heilala Angelina Uhatafe. Toi whakamanata toi be ka inga, mo whakamore. Toki ai be ki taimia, toki aha tau ki I whirimisi, ka mo toki kariwhehu I mai, ka I tuka ke mua ki I whainga maari e ki e tau whanau, ke nau tari ai ngahi whehu I koe ni. Whine mui whakaosi pe mo contestant number 12 for our beauty pageant for 2023, our last judging event, Miss Hapai Masani, Mere a whenga he lotu Sika. Ko whiri ai Miss Hapai Masani, ke whakao ai ne whehui I tau rea tu whanua. Miss Hapai Masani has prepared her question in Tongan. Ka pau e o atu kia te koe, hapaanga e taha miliona I he pōni. Ke hanga whoaki ia, kia whaahinga uhinga, pe koha sino, pe koha kautaha, I tongani. Ko hai nai ai taha ko ia, pe koha uhinga, o whiri e taha ko ia. Ka bai o atu ke te koe ha paanga e taha miliona I e pōni. Ke hanga whuaki ia. Ki ha whainga uhinga pe ko ha kautaha pe ko ha taha I tongani. Ko haina I e taha ko ia pe ko ha ahono uhinga.
Malo au pito. Kapau te umau e fuseni ti lahi ko eni. Uluaki e ai e fuaki ki he lotu. Hua koe kau whainga tā ia. Ko hono uhinga, kana e kai e kau e eiki, he i kai mau. Pea ko toko ni, ki he masiva, koe mea au aonga. E lahi ai hoto tāpu aki. Te ufoaki ke lahi, pea ka iai hatoe, ko au ia. Ko hono uhinga.
Mō kātaki.
Ko hono uhinga.
Mō kātaki o oange ha whakamari e. O misa pai ke whakakakato tare te whihu I.
Ko hono uhinga. Ko e te fuaki ke lahi, te tāna ki lahi. Pea hei kai ke te masiva kita, I he mea si o ku te mau, malo.
The question that was given to Ms. Ha'apai Masani, if you were given 1 million paanga tonight to donate to a cause or organization here in Tonga, what would it be and why? She answered, her priority will be a charitable donation to her church as a way of giving back to God. Secondly, she will give some of that money to the disabled community and the less fortunate. She will also give some to the poor and those who are in need, because those are the teachings of our Savior, Jesus Christ. She will give as much as she can. But if there's any remainder, it will be hers. And she understands the more you give, the more you will receive, the more you will be blessed with and prosper. Malabito Ms. Ha'apai Masani. Mere a whenga he lotu sika. Mo te anga ki paspasi ange ke tau kau whine mui e toko hongo furu māua. Ko tau loto la. Ke tau kau mai ke whiau he Miss Heilala. O tau wāwhi ua tolu. Ko whainga maari e koe ni o ku teu mai ai. Ai kau whine mui. Pea mō nau ngahi hoa. Ke whakahoko. Haki whakamei te makehe. Ko ki wōlosi kua nau teu. Ke whakahoi fua atu ki he whakawhalangi. Kau maa ai ho e ki pa moe ka inga o mō mea heni I he fia whini. Our next item will be a Heilala Wars, which will be led by our reigning Miss Heilala, Yehanala Suko, and her partner, which will be followed by the Miss Heilala contestants for 2023 and their partners. Koe tau ai te mihon hoko ia, whakawhe I atu ai kau whewhine, ke nau te teo mai ke whahoko ki item ko ia. But before we move on to that special item, ko whatonga atu ka mou tolu hanghange ka mou ka mohe. Whemau ia ke ki I wei ho tau sino, taritari ai ke kau whine mui, ke nau lava mai ke lotoni. Te whakawhei ai tāmea, ke te hanga tuku mai a ki fo I whas, tau ki whakawaha mapa aki, ka tau toki hoko atu, ki he whakamei te koe ni e whakahoko, I he kauwhewhine.
one. We would like to dedicate this next number to CEO of Fiji Airways. You've been requested to play some Fijian music, so this song goes out to you.
Let's all give a round of applause to the sound wave of the Pacific. Thus his daughter was the youngest ever to have won the Fiji Got Talent. Một pas pasi mai ai tàu cầu live band koi ke poni. Toko mai ai ngahi hiva mari koi oi poni. Whaka mari koi ni. O kore ke whanga o introduce adwai ai reigning Miss Heilala. Tamoi toi nga oi kau whinemui e toko o furmaua. Te tau whakako atu haki fo I wolosi. Kaki whakamei te peia ke te mautolu I e pōni. May I invite the reigning Miss Heilala and her partner on stage. Followed by the Miss Heilala contestants for 2023, they will do a Heilala Wars special number for all of us tonight. Bodoi pas pasi mai ai reigning Miss Heilala ke ta uafe tahiwa uafe watolu ye nala suko. Time tatau lo Tonga whakawhiao mai ai kau whinemui e nau ngahi hoa ke whunga Stacey ke whakakato atu. Ai nau whakameite koe ni koe ki wolosi e whalanglangi kai o maha ho e ki pamoi ka inga.
Moimoi pas pasi mai e kau Whinemui. E whiau i se Heilala. O e tau ni. Ko satu pe ki he wakai mai a Vivian Charlie me he turi ki koe. Kamo pe a Vivi mo ne pe mai. Ko au a ta he taim na ku misi ai. Taim e ni a koe nai whakataha ia e misi koe a kakai Tongatapu e kakai Whewhine. A matai ka na e mahino. Pas pasi mai e tau kau Whewhine. You guys are beautiful and elegant tonight. Ha whakawha ofa au pito, and we appreciate all our girls tonight just for their tenacity and all their passion to showcase their Tongan identity. Malo au pito. Koe polo kalamba koe ni oku hoko. Hange pe koe aku mau mea i ho eki pia moe ka inga. Koe tau pōle ni. Ia lo Tonga hono whakamā pōpua ngā hiola ko ia o e tau whiauhi whirimisi ki he tau ni. Te whakawhea i heni ai kau tā mea pia moe DJ. Ke nauhanga pia o tuku mai hawhangi hiwa. Ke whakarelu aki ai kātoanga ko ia o e ewhia whini. E whakalanglangi. Ko mea pango si e ku wheko whea i atu mei mua ni. O ku iai toko taha ku tohi mai ka te au. O ko matai ngeri a pito MC e pōni. Peo ke mea i whakawhalanglangi. Na e iai e ki i action song na whaiho ka inga koe mei tongo rere ka. Peo ke taimika na e whanonga mai ai ai kau angelo. Koe ki whakataipe nau whanonga ki hewa ni. Ko tange a ngelo ia taha. Peko taim ko nai eke atu ai. Ko ha ko tange a ngelo, talange a ngelo ia taha. Tala mai e ia o ko matai ngeri. Peko tari ko a ngelo tongo rere ka. So mai, matai ngeri pe mo alu ki he vani. Peko pehe, ai ko matai ngeri pe mo MC he poni. Ko toi hare vai. DJ, pia moe kau tāmea. Tuku maha ngai whasi, ka tau ki i hū moe kau āge lo ki he wani, pa tau toki hifo mai o taritari, ai ola ko ia o tau whirimisi o i pōti. DJ, hit it.
Since I'm by the fire, your bestie, you want one piece, you give me baby, go I talk about it. Hey, I go on there. Chuck him over, you know, I know, chuck him over, you know. Stop my time, here we go together. Nice good breeze and big parties, I say like don't get no bed. Talk about it. Hey, I go on there. Mofino, I'm not dead. Taki Mofino, okay, your mama quirless, the corner that's the floor. Your hips, the one thing, jelly one, take me to the island way. Well, baby mama, put on your ducks too. Want some people below, now we're taking to the back now, we're tapping the island way. Tapping this long time way. My bestie, your bestie, since I'm by the fire. Your bestie, since you want my teeth, so give me baby, let's go on. Talk about it, I go on, Chucky Mofino, I not Chucky Mofino, son of my go straight, talk right, told him I'm making party nasta, the island banda, drink those things, I'm fucking up to me, rocka, come see parties, let it do the ducky, I'm gonna record, remember, blow, and then you lock me up, and I go back as a wine for me, baby, this girl's pumping, people jumping, we come in the island way. Shout out to the good time crew all across the island. Grab your shoes and a 2x2, them shine as bright like that. Talk about it, hey now, I go on, baby. Chuck him off, you know, I not it. Chuck him off, you know, Chuck him off, you know, we take it to the max now, we're traveling this one some way. Wind up, go down, we somebody back there. We go left, we go right, turn it around and forward. Wind up, go down, But when she goes to the marketplace, she leave all character at home. And she walks like a lady, acts like a lady, don't ask me why. But when she starts a conversation, every one of her friends just cry and share. Sing along. Bitty bom, bitty bom, bitty bom, bitty bom, will drive me crazy. Look here comes Billy, and he's one of her ugly men. He says hello, then I'll begin to tell a story about this beautiful woman that I see. Well, Billy turned to me and said, she's like every woman always the same. Then I shake my head and say, oh, let me tell you, Billy, I can't believe every woman will be the same. Sing along. Bitty bom, bitty bom, bitty bom, bitty bom, will drive me crazy. Look here, and here comes good old Sam, comes to town, meets this girl for his love. And as the keeps on driving me crazy, she's just acting like a lady for a short time. And she walks like a lady, acts like a lady, don't ask me why. I know it gets formed up, then she gets started, then she gets crazy. She would think of every bitch like a gold in the street. Sing along, bitty bom, 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 will drive me crazy.
Whabaibare o ke whahako pēo no whakamaa o pokoia o e tauola. Kore pē ki DJ. Lo tonga ki manawa ai live band. Ko kore ke DJ heni. Ko siok toko lahi e kau wawau. O ko maa longo a holo i e holo Sir Sofele Kakala. Tai mai hafo i whasu wawau hena. Katoa mai hulari pia moe pulukari a moe metia moe petia ko toa pe me lolo halai malu ki loto. Ai! Kau kai ke aha mo misi pa mo o mai aki heo vela i loto ai. Mare! DJ. Tell my fashion hapai DJ.
Jerusalem, Heilala, Ilondoloze, Uhambenami, Zungangishilana. Jerusalem, Heilala, Ilondoloze. Daunami, Aikolana, Musowami, Aukolana, Ilondoloze, Zuhaminami, Daunami, Aikolana, Musowami, Aukolana, Ilondoloze. ilondoloze zuhambe nami dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami.
Malo, malo.
Jerusalema, Heilala, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema, Heilala, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami.
Malo DJ. Pas mai ke kau wawa u ko ni. Nau fia e boni. Ilonga pe taimi u tau orunga e kau wawau. Lahi poko pe kai ke aha ni hia toi hanau lai ulu. DJ, koe lama e tau orunga ai ki whanua o kai ke aha nau misi. Ka nau kau katoa pe nau tolu ke toko hongo fulu maua. Toko i maa voi fasi haa pai. Haa pai katoa pe he. Mo fasi e.
Singi mai. Lo astro ele mala pom city. Bagarem kudu itari mai. Banda salu. Ana supusene. Kiritema na ukalele. Nilitema ikole. Kiri na kaburu. Sau mai na uka. Nauka lele. Erina kaibiti, erina kairoma, nauka lele.
Come on, Hawaii people. Hawaii.
Nauka lele. Erina kaibiti, erina kairoma, nauka lele. Saumai nauka, 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 nauka lele. Erina kaibiti, erina kairoma, nauka lele. Nauka, nauka lele. Erina kaibiti, erina kairoma, nauka lele. Saumai nauka, 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 nauka lele. Erina kaibiti, erina kairoma, nauka lele. Saumai nauka, uka, 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 uka lele.
atu ki he kakai kota pe o haapai. Ko guanga ko e ku wakai atu ki he kainga haapai ko ia o mo I hedi I he fia fidi. O ku wake manatu whaafalang langi. Ki hoko matua me whare loa. Pea koe aho kotoa pe kai ke iai ha kiki ai haka. Pea talage he use pātiti. Koe aho koe ku hau mai kai ke ha kiki koe haka ai pe. Pea koe taimi koe na e whoki mai ai takatai ki aho hono tolu. Koe mea tatau koe fu haka hamu ai pe. Pea koe eke atu he takatai ki. Ko whē kiki. Koe tari koe ai whewhine haapai. Ko no hinga ni kai ke ai ai ha kiki. Ko hoki I lue hake. Kiki. Ko hoki I tangu tuhi fō. Kiki. Hoki I mālanga hake. Kiki. Pe aku pehe. Ai mātuku atu koe ni a haapai koe ni. Kiki. DJ. Oku tokolahi heni. Ai kau wholau mei e ua na kai ke lava ke nau whoki. Orewa. Koe kei mau mau e tapiri e wakapuna. Pea koe a kou kore atu DJ. Tā I maha whasi, he e tā e whasi a osi o ku te kai ke nau ilo nau tau o ku kamata. Tā maha whasi a ewa masani. DJ? Koe pe atu pe koe tā pea tā. Wakari a DJ na koe DJ me e ua ena. Mau e whasi pe atuku mai. Fia whoki o tau I hedi I he boni. Pea mo tau pupua, koe taha ia o e tau whanau tamba o nau awea Tonga ke tumutumu I he hiwa ko ia o e obra. Uihia ia, kai ia maka hoko waru. Mo paspasi I mai a tau pupua, ne heni pa mok tau tō. Whasi na ewa, o koe pe o ke hau me ewa. Mea pehe mea ko o ke mea mai mea tai piti.
Tell me that he never really liked me anyway. Oh, tell your Eloise, tell anything you please. Myself already knows it's not okay. Oh, you can tell my eyes, watch out for my mind. It might be walking out on me today. Don't tell my heart, I beg you break it off. Just don't think you understand. Don't fuck. Fuck
Malo whakamalo atu ke kāinga koia pia me he whunga whanua i o mō whakawere mai i he fia whiti. Iei whalanglangi, koe ka kato e whasi o kau overstay ia. Tā mai ha whasi o Tongatapu. Ko kore ke DJ. Os mahi no ni ka e ori ko tope u fasia. Ma nga ki foi fasi ka e ori si ipe ke ave a Tongatapu i he polo kalamba ko ia e fia fini. DJ ta ma ki foi fasi. Ai ma ki foi me a ko ne we ho tau tangata i loto. Ha mai a ko ki toto. Whakatoa atu ke kau koisutuku o ea ko malunga ria hona o ko mau iheni ko e teu ke whakamanadoa aho mau aho. Mong mau tau kotoa pepe mei muri, whasikati ma mau tolu. I repeat, overseas.
Here, 1, 2.
So multiply it, and I'm losing control. 'Cause the heart in your society to let you ride. You better say that do. 'Cause I need a man, and my heart is set on you. You better say that do. Better on that. To my heart I must be true. Nothing left for me to do. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. The one I need. Oh yes indeed. If don't feel with affection, you want to shine to the land, meditate in my direction. Feel way. I better say bye. Cause you need a man. I need a man. I can't keep me satisfied. I better say bye. If I'm you my baby's 65. I usually, yes, I'm sure I look inside. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. The one I need. Oh, yes, indeed. Well, if you're filled with affection, you want to try to connect, meditate in my direction. Feel way. I better say bye. Cause I need a man who can keep me satisfied. I better say bye. If I'm you better prove that my baby's justified. I usually sound true down deep inside. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. The one I need. Oh yes indeed. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. You're the one and the one. You're the one that I. The one I need. Oh yes indeed. You're the one and the one. Well, Joanna, she runs the country. She runs in Derby and the Chanticleer. She makes a few of the people happy. Oh, she don't care about the rest at all. She's got a system they call a butterfly. It keeps her brother in subjection. If baby fish out and make Joanna see the feeling of the land's one. Oh, give me hope, Joanna, give me hope, Joanna, give me hope, Joanna, for the morning comes. Give me hope, Joanna, give me hope, Joanna, give me hope before the morning comes. I hear she makes all the golden money to fighting weapons and shape of gun, while every mother in Mexico went to be the killing of another son, singing across all the neighbors' borders. ho, Joanna, give me ho, Joanna for the morning comes. Give me ho, Joanna, give me ho, Joanna, give me ho before the morning comes. Ho, give me ho, Joanna, give me ho, Joanna, give me ho, Joanna for the morning comes. Give me ho, Joanna, give me ho, Joanna, give me ho before the morning comes. Oh, give me ho, Joanna, give me ho, Joanna, give me ho, Joanna for the morning comes. Give me ho, Joanna, give me ho, Joanna, give me ho before the morning comes.
Ui foki tau hokatu ni ke teke tonga hai, aho tonga hai. Te mau atua e whasi iloa koe ni a peko malunga tonga, ui ko te fua wakalau tala. Whasi koe ni na hiwa behe motua ni ka maa Kristina Fifita, pakon te mau hiwa i atbea moe whanau, te fua wakalau tala.
Aloha,
Our next number will be a Fijian number, dedicated to all the Fijians in the house, and also to the German General Manager of Fiji Airways. Minakavalevu. Naka.
Whakamaro atu kainga. Whakamaro atu ko uhi, ko mo whakaonga i mai, ai ngahi whasi, o ko tuku atu he kautamea i e whiawhini. Whakawhiawhia au pito, are you guys having a great night? Are you guys having a great night? All right. Whakalata. Ko whainga maria ko ni ko mau marie. Ai ola koia o e tau whiau hi whirimisi ki tau ni. Kai e tai vini. At this moment, I would like to invite the reigning Miss Heilala to make her final speech and her final walk with the crown of the Miss Heilala 2019-2022. Who will be the Miss Heilala for 2023-2024? We'll find out later. Mo pas pasi mai, Heilala suko. Ko Miss Heilala ia o e ta uafe taha hiwa ki he lolo tongani.
Kola ke hufanga he ngahi whakatapu, ko si whai atu me muani. First and foremost, I would like to give all thanks, praise, and glory to our Heavenly Father. Before I decided to run in 2019, my pageant coach, Naya, approached me to run for Miss Heilala, but advised me to pray about it. It took me 4 months before I got back to her and agreed to represent Miss SNS USA. From the beginning of my journey to Miss Heilala, and as the reigning Miss Heilala, I've seen the Lord's hand throughout. Things that I didn't think were possible were made possible. I always say that I want what the Lord wants for me. And I'm thankful for his divine timing, and I trust in his plan for my life. So thank you, Lord, for all thy many blessings. Tonight, as I close out this significant chapter of my life, I want to begin with thanking all those who have played a role in my journey. They say it takes a village to raise a child, and as a young woman, I am able to give back to my village that raised me. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude because of all the love, sacrifices, and prayers it took to get me to where I am today. So firstly, I want to thank my family. Thank you to my dad, Fungani Mapa Uluvalu, my mom, Tapukiteatupo, the icon and legend herself, my mama, Kalolaine Mateele Sukop, and my papa, the late Harry Sukop. They're the reason why I have a Palangi last name, for those of you who wonder why my last name is Sukop. It's Dutch. So, thank you to my grandparents, my maternal grandmother, Wilhelmina, my grandpa, Dr. Sonatane Tupo, and my paternal grandmother, Salote, and great-grandmother, Melelua. Thank you to my auntie, Mommy Lois, my uncle, Micah, my 5 younger siblings, Osayasi, Patrick, Timothy, Hailaivalu Ta'anea, and baby Heilala. And to all my other aunties, uncles, and cousins, too many to name, I would like to also honor those who have passed on during my reign, but have been a big support, like my great-grandmother, Anaise Doti, Grandma Tesa, and Uncle Isaiah Tupo. Thank you for all your endless love and support. To my sponsor, Miss SNS USA, and our humble little team, my mama Mepa, Uncle Pepe, my sisters Naya and Ironica, my talented Uncle Gary Lavaki, and all my Vakalahi and Talakai family in Havelu. Thank you for all you've done and for continuously supporting me. Lastly, thank you to our Ministry of Tourism, Tonga Tourism Authority, and Tonga Tourism Association, as well as our amazing sponsors for making this festival possible. Can we please give them a round of applause for doing such a phenomenal job? To our incredible Minister of Tourism and Foreign Affairs, the Honorable Fekita Adoikamanu, and CEO of the Ministry of Tourism, Viliami Takao. Thank you to our Heilala Festival Director, the astounding Honorable Frederica Fatafehi Olapahatuita. Thank you to the General Manager, Viliami Takao, Chair Lady Mishka Tuifua, and the directors of the Tonga Tourism Board. Thank you to the President of the Tonga Tourism Association, Sosaya Moihau, and directors. And especially thank you to the Miss Heilala Committee, our pageant director, Tafolosa Bloomfield, Angelique, Desa, and everyone else who played a part in making this all possible. To all the tourism staff, especially my liaison officer, Mafikasa Nanuala, Pita Tonga, and Boy Paongo, my most sincerest Maloa Pito for all your hard work and dedication. Over the week's festivities, I have enjoyed the company of 12 beautiful young women, along with our stunning Miss Pacific Islands. These young women are intelligent, talented, and above all, they radiate a light that comes from knowing who they really are, daughters of an almighty king. While these have been celebratory times, I have opted to remain in black all week to continue to remember the legacy of Her Royal Highness, Princess Mele Silikutapu, who now rests with God. It is my hope to honor her and celebrate the legacy she has left behind. Her empowerment of women through fervent prayer and immovable faith is life-changing. perhaps we will never know just how much she has prayed for our great nation and prayed for all of us. I wish to remind my Heilala sisters something significant that Her Royal Highness once said. Koe ma'u oiotua, koe ma'u kotoa, which means if God is all you have all you need. Out of 12 contestants this year, 9 are from Australia, New Zealand, and the United States. The pageant ratios are a reflection of our current situation. There are more Tongans living away from Tonga than here at home. Though many in the diaspora may not be fluent in our language, we are trying. We may not ta'alunga the way our grandmothers did, but we love it. There are dance academies, Tongan language classes, and a dedicated week just to help us remember our roots. Although nothing compares to being home. So I invite Tongans around the world to come home. Tonga, my kingdom, our new tourism slogan is a reminder that no matter where you may be around the world, this is your kingdom. Come home when you can and contribute how you can. Take the good with you and pray for the things we need to change. So for the overseas girls and their sponsors who come to Fataki Whanua or support our country's Heilala Festival, we see you and we thank you. It is a peculiar way to come home if this is your first time, but it also is a magnificent lens with which to see our island kingdom. Take the good, like the immense love you felt from a family member you met here for the first time, or maybe someone who came to show you loyal support, or offering a gift of a kahoa kakala, or maybe even offering an unexpected meal for your chaperone. Then take what is hard, like sitting through an event with a hairdo that you wouldn't ever otherwise wear, but do it to make the aunties happy. Or hearing about mean comments and criticisms online when you're just trying to do your best. It is not easy to run in a pageant, but I commend you girls for a job well done. There's something special about running in Heilala. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. No matter the outcome, you girls are all winners for even having the courage to run in this pageant. It takes courage, and I'm proud of you all. As I reflect back on my 4 years as Miss Tonga, I have come a long way. I was able to create a sisterhood with 24 other beautiful young women, my pageant sisters, at the 2019 Heilala Festival. Then the spirit of sisterhood continued as I went to Papua New Guinea for the 2019 Miss Pacific Islands pageant. I was able to travel to China with the Tonga Masani promo group with our former Minister of Tourism, Ms. Sisika, and former CEO, Sione Moala, to promote Tonga's tourism industry. I had the opportunity to visit schools and institutions in Australia, New Zealand, and Hawaii. And I graduated from the University of Hawaii at Manoa, majoring in political science with a certificate in law and society. I went on to working 2 sessions at the Hawaii State Legislature as a legislative aide, then as a committee clerk. With all that I have been able to accomplish these past 4 years, my end goal remains the same, to serve. While my time as Miss Tonga comes to an end, my passion and commitment to serve in any capacity that I can will continue on. Koe ma'u oiotua, koe ma'u kotoa. If God is all I have all I need. For God, King, and country. Maloa pito tua fatu.
Koe la vaia ai lea whakamāwai ai Miss Heilala Lolotonga i he nāla sūkop. I he whakamāri e koe ni. Tōkua ngai ki he Miss Heilala ke whahoko a e ne lue whakaosi i he whunga stage koe ni. Ke mua bea ne Moimoi atu ai kalauni e Miss Heilala i tau ni ki he whine mui te ne guna ia i he boni. Kore ke DJ, I would now invite the reigning Miss Heilala to have her last walk on stage as the crowned Miss Heilala for the past 4 years. We cannot thank you enough, Yehanara. Thank you for your tenacity and your perseverance. And thank you for being a great ambassador for Tonga for the past 4 years.
of many obstacles and challenges. DJ, ta mai fasi, ki he lue whakawasi ai Miss Heilala.
Welcome to the remix. D1. El Rey. D.O. Arcángel la maravilla.
Kadaki, ta mai ki fasi, Mama Rie, DJ. Oku toe si. Mo ne lau e fine mo tua ha te ho. To si ke ano tere te ko he tai min. DJ, tuku mai ki fasi, o feunga pe mo ngeia. O tahine, o fine moi Miss Heilala lolo tonga. The reigning Miss Heilala 2019-2022 Miss Yehenara Suko. Famalo atu yomoke kadak. DJ Ofa de Shinoni ge Shinona. Fuulahi tolahi kau eua I fareni. Pea ko mot whakataha pe tapire DJ mo makapuna ko te eua. Can I please invite the 12 contestants and their escorts to please make your way up to the stage. And while they are making their way up to the stage, I will invite the Second Vice President of Tonga Tourist Association, Ms. Elizabeth Cowley, to please offer the thank you remarks. Can the escorts please escort our beautiful young ladies to the stage? Kaim tatau, kore atoi pegi he DJ, waki kaimi ko ni, mo ne lau e fite motua niua, ki tā molu mai pe kai lava ki, hoko atu e tau polo kalama, pe aongo lelei atu, a ngahilea e whakahoko, e mo mediti ko ni. Tau te anga pasi ki e kau fite mui, toko hongo fulu maua, nau mau e loto lahi, mo e loto I Tonga. Ka nau e loi, that Tonga is our kingdom. Whakawhei Elizabeth Cowley, kene whakamore. O tongia ke mua ai lea whakamalo. O whakafofonga ai Tonga Tourism Association. Kau hi koe ngāwe au whuato ko tau wheia o au mai ki he whia whindi. O kau tui o kukai ke mou whaatatari ke ui atu e ola ko ia o e pōni. Pe au pau pe ke pehe. Koe aho nia o e ware ia tama. Koe aho e tama tu he whae Pea mo tau fia mo lau kau aki au tau Tonga. Elizabeth Cowley? Lo tonga e tau kei tatari koia ki he lea whakamalo kai umaa ai kau whinemui o ku amana ke nau lava mai ki he funga Stacey. I just want to mention that throughout these pageants, in all the judging events, there were 5 former Miss Heilala who were participated in the panel of judges. From 1979, vai ufia a whiaki takau. Na kau i kau whakamau ko ia o ngai whi au hi. From 1984, ko a supa motua puaka. 1986, Kerry Cowley Mataere. 1992, ta folosa Tongatapu Bloomfield. Pea mo 2004, ko Teresia Tongatapu. Kau whewhine ia na nau ikuna kalau ni, na nau kau i kau whakamau. Tau toki paspasi iang ki tau tolu. Tuai whai Maria Gleniki, Elizabeth Cowley.
Excuse me. Okay. Malo Pito. I know you've been waiting a long, long time, so I'm not going to take too much. I won't take too much of your time. As the formalities have all been said, please allow me to have the thank you speeches. But firstly, I'd like to thank our Heavenly Father for bringing us all here today. Tonga has gone through so much in the past 12 months. And today, as I sat and watched everyone dancing, it was like happy, happy Tonga. So Heilala, thank you for bringing back the happy to Tonga. We cannot do this without sponsors. And I'd like to thank the sponsors that helped put Heilala together. The Government of Tonga, Malo Aupito, Fiji Airways, Tonga Ports Authority, New City, Tanua International Hotel, Tonga Development Bank, PSP, Bank of Tonga, Little Italy, MBF, Friendly Island Shipping Agency, TCC, JetSave, Likwalofa, Deep Blue Diving, Salome Every Season Travel and Security, Seaview Hotel, Talieva Bar, City Engineering, Little Italy, Billfish, Rising Sun Travel, Villa Isadora, Dini Media. Once again, our thanks to the Heilala Committee and to the Minister of Tourism and the CEO for your hard work. It has been over 3 years since we've had Miss Heilala. And I'm sure you've all enjoyed the event and the hard work that the committee and the CEO and the Minister of Tourism have put through this week. To the reigning Miss Heilala, thank you. To all the girls from all over who have come to join Miss Heilala, thank you for being here. Thank you for making the journey to Tonga to support us here. You have brought a lot. You have brought the economy, you've built the economy, and you're all winners. As I sit and watch you through the week, it's a pleasure to see you girls. You're all winners, and you're all holding the essence of a true Tongan woman. Your values in culture, your values in the heritage, your ideas of climate change, and how you want to educate everyone here. Thank you for that. I won't hold up anymore because we all want to know who the Miss Heilala is. Malo apito to awhai atu.
We will now invite all the contestants to please come on stage. Koreat ke DJ tamaya ki fasi mamari epe, Tonga, ai lava mai ai kau whinemui ki he funga Stacy. I taimi tatao, oko DJ Ofato. I taimi tatao, oko fie whakawhi I hedi. Ai ek minista ki he potngau e takmamata, ke whamoemore o lava mai mua, ke whaki ai konga uluaki. O e ngahi pare koia e whoaki I e pōni. Pea kahiri ia, koe ola whakaluku fua o e tau whea auhi. I e hiri hono whoaki e minista, o ko whie whakawhi ia e ki whakalangi. O e katoa ngani, kene toki whoaki, ai konga hono ua, o e tau ngahi pare koia o e pōni. May I invite the Honorable Minister of Tourism, Honorable Fekita Boiloa Utoi Kamando, to please present the first part of our prize giving and our prize awards. And later on, we will invite the guest of honor, Honorable Frederica Fatafihiola Pahatuita, to please present the overall results and the awards. Tam tatau o ko kore ke tau ki ipaspasi iange e tau kau whinemui. We got our results here. I will start from the pre-pageant interview. I will first call the top 5 contestants in no particular order. The top 5 contestants for the pre-pageant interview is Miss SNS USA, Miss Tonga Australia, Miss Fia Dance Academy, Miss Bose Fashion, and Miss Ewa Masani. I will now call the top 3 who will get the awards for the pre-pageant interview. When I call your name, please come forward and receive your award. The second runner-up for the pre-pageant interview with a grand prize of 500 paanga goes to Miss Tonga, Australia. Koe tolu I he whakaeke koia na e whakahoko I uluaki aho o kumauia he Miss Tonga, Australia, contestant number 3. Mo pas mai ki ai. The first runner-up, winning a cash prize of 700 paanga, goes to contestant number 7, Miss Bose Fashion. And the winner of the pre-pageant interview with a cash prize of 1,000 paanga, Miss Ella Masadi. Can I please ask the top 3 contestants who won the pre-pageant to please step forward? Miss Tonga, Australia, Miss Bose Fashion, and Miss Ewa Masadi. Mopas pasi mai. Agawi guna o fe auhi tarife hui pe ko faka eke e fo a fe auhi gani. Malo bo fa papa. Malo abito. Koife auhi kie creation. The top 5 contestants in no particular order. Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Miss Tonga, Australia, Miss Bose Fashion, Miss Ewa Masadi, and Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia. And the top 3 for the Kie Creation category. The second runner-up with a cash prize of 500 paanga goes to Miss Tui Tui Fashion. When you receive your award, please remain standing in the front. The first runner-up for the Kie Creation goes to contestant number 7, Miss Bose Fashion. Winning a cash prize of 750 paanga. And the winner of the Kie Creation goes to Miss Tonga, Australia. And there's a cash prize of 1,000 paanga. Mopas masimai, ke kau whinemui e tokatolu, unawi kona, ai whiauhi kie. Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Miss Bose Fashion, and Miss Tonga, Australia. Miss Sarong Competition. The second runner-up, winning a cash prize of 200 paanga, goes to Miss Sandy's Online Boutique, Australia. Ko e tolu eni, e ko naya e misi Sandy's Online Boutique Australia, ka moi paanga e uang geau. Mo pas mai kiai. The first runner-up, winning a cash prize of 350 paanga, goes to Miss Fia Dance Academy. First runner-up here, Peko Ua ia, o Fe Auhi Sarong, where? Peko Teunga Matatahi, Moipare Paanga Tolge Au Ni Manoa, Uigunaya Miss Fia Dance Academy. And the winner of the Sarong Wear for 2023, winning a cash prize of 500 paanga, goes to Miss Malolele Travel. Igunaya o Fe Auhi Teunga Matatahi, because Sarong Wear. Iguna Miss Malolele Travel. Figaua kia Miss Fia Dance Academy. Because Tolu ko Miss Sennis Online Boutique Australia. Te tau hoko atu ki he whē auhi tare niti. The talent competition. Here are the top 5 contestants in no particular order. Miss Tonga, Australia, Miss Brilliant Star Silapelua, Miss Malolele Travel, Miss Ewa Masani, and Miss Habai Masani. And the winners, the top 3 contestants for our talent competition. The second runner-up, winning a cash prize of 500 paanga, Miss Tonga, Australia. Koi tolu ia, koi ua, or the first runner-up, winning a cash prize of 750 paanga, goes to Miss Ewa Masani. Koi kuna, oi whiauhi tare niti. The winner of the talent competition for 2023 goes to Miss Malolele Travel. Moi pare paanga e taha afe. Whamalo at whoki ki he Miss Heilala Lolotonga. O te hanga o Tokoni ki hono whaki ngai pare koia. Pe mai sesh e tau whangau. Mo toi paspasi mai. Ai tau kau whinemui ko nā wikuna. Ai whi auhi tare niti. Ai wā whiua tolu. Coming up next is our Tau Olunga competition that we had last night. The second runner-up with a cash prize of 500 paanga. Sorry, before I read that, let me give you the top 5 contestants in no particular order. The top 5, Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Miss Fia Dance Academy, Miss Brilliant Star Sila Pelua, Miss Ewa Masani, and Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia. Those are the top 5 in no particular order. And the top 3 contestants for the Tau'olunga competition. The second runner-up, winning a cash prize of 500 paanga, goes to Miss Tui Tui Fashion. Mopas pasi mai kia sepni lata mailei koe toluia o tau fe auhi Tau'olunga. The first runner-up, Pekoe Ua, winning a cash prize of 700 paanga, goes to Miss Ewa Masani. Whakamalo at Foki, ia mo ki tauhi mai e merino pe mo mauluta. O tau pōkalama goia o e whiu whindi. Koikuna, or the winner of the Tau'olunga competition with a cash prize of 1,000 paanga, goes to Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia. Our next prize is for the best Tau'olunga costume. Winning a cash prize of 1,000 paanga for the best Tau'olunga costume goes to Miss Maloelele Trevor. I will now read out the results of our stage interview this evening. You see, I don't have the result here. I will call them one by one. For the stage interview, there's only one prize, there's only one winner for the best stage interview. So these are the special awards. Best stage interview with 500 paanga goes to Miss Ewa Masani. Our next special award for More More, o mo ai taukai, kai whakato e whatungia e pōkoete. Kai Miss Photogenic. And just for your information, this prize was judged and picked by the official and professional photographer. Tini Media and Miss Photogenic, winning a cash prize of 500 paanga, goes to Sebni Mailei, Miss Tuidui Fashion. Kai ai matapa ko fatunga koa. Moi sila pelua. Kolo kakala pia moloto kolo mutua. Wopas pasi mai. Sabni Mailei ko ikuna Miss Photogenic for 2023. And the last special award is Miss Popularity, and this was picked and selected by the 12 contestants. Winning a cash prize of 500 paanga goes to Miss Ewa Masadi. Whakamalo he ni ki he Egg Minister o e pot ngau e tak mamata i ho loto lelei ke tokoni ke fuaki a ngahi pare whakalanglangi o e ngahi kuna o e ngahi whea auhi ka ma a ngahi special awards ki e tau ni. May I now invite our guest of honor, Whamorimore, kahine eiki Frederica for the Heilala Pahatuita. I fie mata moa, kai koreat mua ke feituna ke mea mai, o whakiange ai pare whakaluku fua. O I whe auhi Miss Heilala ke da ua whe ua tolu. I'm now inviting our guest of honor, Honorable Frederica for the Heilala Pahatuita, to please present the grand prize for the overall results of our Miss Heilala pageant. Te aui hoi hoi fua, Miss Heilala o e ta'ua whe ua tolu, aia te ui atu, ai toko nima tuki mua, o e wheaui hoi hoi fua Miss Heilala, ke tau a wheua tolu. Ka mau ki pas mai ke tau whanau, toko hongo fulu maua, ko tau loto lahi. Ke tau tala honau Tonga, i he weke Heilala o he tau ni. Koe ola koe ni ke wheauhi, o kutoki pasi mai peia, pe me ngai sila koe ni I mui, ko si iai a ngahi pare koe ia. I kai koe ia pe ka aku I heni, pe moe General Manager for Fiji Airways Australasia, ke tokoni ki hono whaki atu ngahi pare, ki e kau whine moi koe ni. Lolotonga ai kei whakahoko mai ai ngahi pare koia ki e tau wheauhi. O kou whakahoko atu ai ngahi pare paanga koia ko tuku mai ki he kawikona o he tauni. Ko e ni mā pe ko e fourth runner-up, tēnei kuna ia ai pare ko pāngai wāwhe. 2,000 paanga cash prize for the fourth runner-up. And the third runner-up will win a cash prize of 3,000 paanga. The second runner-up will go home tonight with 5,000 paanga. The first runner-up will win a cash prize of 7,000 paanga. And the winner for the Miss Heilala this year will go home with a cash prize of 10,000 paanga. Mo whamore pe, o mau ki kau tokoni koni ki he pōni, koe si whakakāsi ni pe o e tau DJ. Pea koe ni whakahoko re rei mai pe ai tau ngahi pare, ke ui atu i he pōni. Whamaro atu ki eik whalanglangi, ki o lau maari re rei ka ke mea mai o whakakoloa. Ai whē auhi Miss Heilala ko ia o he tauni. Kaweni e tau whakawhiawhia, ko tau kātoa ngai ai maalari, o e aho whakaifo e nea whio, pe hoko mai ai pe mo ngahi kātoanga o e wiki Heilala. For fourth runner-up, for the Miss Heilala 2023, winning a cash prize of 2,000 paanga, and also a 15 gigabytes of data from TCC. Fourth prize, fourth runner-up, sorry. Nima, o Miss Heilala, Wafe Watolu. Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Sabni Maile. Mo paspasi mai ai Nima. We got fourth runner-up o tau whiau I Whirimisi, ko Miss Tui Tui Fashion. Iyo. Sabni Maile. The third runner-up of the Miss Heilala 2023, winning a cash prize of 3,000 paanga and a 15 gigabyte awards from TCC, goes to Miss Malo Elele Travel. Go second runner-up of our Miss Heilala Pageant for 2023 with a cash prize of 5,000 paanga, 15 gigabyte awards from TCC, and Fiji Airways is providing a return economy class ticket for 2 people flying Fiji Airways from Tonga to any port in Australia, serviced by Fiji Airways through Nandi. Koetalu, or the second runner-up, goes to Miss Tonga, Australia. Monica Vave. Ko e tolu ia o e tau whiau I Miss Heilala ke tau a whiua tolu. Pea mo e tiki te wholau e ua ki a whaahinga wheituu pe o ko puna ki ai ai Fiji Airways I Australia. Whakatahaia mo e pare paanga ko e paanga e nima awhe. Pea mo e teida ki ka paiti e tahanima pea me he TCC. Our first runner-up pe koe ua o e whe auhi whirimis Heilala o e ta'ua whiua tolu. Winning a cash prize of 7,000 paanga. Also a Galaxy Z Flip 4 mobile from TCC. And a return economy class ticket for 2 people flying Fiji Airways from Tonga to either Los Angeles, San Francisco, or Honolulu through Nandi. Cash prize of 7,000 paanga, first runner-up for Miss Heilala 2023 goes to Miss Bose Fashion. And this is the moment we have been waiting for. Before I announce the Miss Heilala, the winner for the Miss Heilala for 2023, I just want to announce that there is also a return economy class ticket for 2 flying Fiji Airways from Tonga to either one of our ports in New Zealand or to Samoa or Fiji for the winner of the Miss Tau'olunga. So Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia, you also win a 2 return economy class ticket from Tonga to either ports of New Zealand, Samoa, or Fiji. In the moment that we have been waiting for, Koikuna, Mokataki, o Whalalongo Hifo, Ko ikuna Miss Heilala ke tauni o giai ang ahipare ko eni. She will walk home with 10,000 paanga, an Alcatel 3T10 Smart tablet. And Fiji Airways is so generous to offer a return economy class ticket for 2 people flying Fiji Airways from Tonga to any destination on Fiji Airways network. Any one destination on Fiji Airways network through Nandi will be the prize for the winner of the Miss Heilala. Pero ikuna, o e fe auhi Miss Heilala ki tau uhafe, uatolu. O ku ikuna ia. Ehe Miss. Ikuna ia ehe Miss Ewa Masani. Ladies and gentlemen, and this is the profound moment of our Heilala pageant, the crowning of the Miss Heilala for 2023. Sidita Hamilton Vaenuku, heading all the way from Ewa. Tuanegi Vare Makave and Tarihau Vava'o. Just a brief background about the crown. The crown was graved from the whale's bones by the one and only Stephen Fehoko. Ko kalaudi koia o Miss Heilala na e tongiakia pe mei he hui koia o tofua. Pe dai whakao koia ho no tongi whakasansani e tangata tufunga mea koia ko Stephen Fehoko. Paspasi mai ai kau ikuna o Miss Heilala uafe ua tolu. Can the band play congratulations? Kora ki DJ ke tamai ha fasi. Kau ikuna. Oi poko ini. Voltai paspasi mai ai kau fina mui. E toka honga fu maua. Ko tau ikuna. Ai whiau i Miss Heilala o i tau uafe ua tolu. Mo paspasi mai ai Miss Heilala. Ke tau a whewa tolu. Sitita Hamilton. Vai nuku.
Check it out.